Mohammed was a young man living in Berkane, Morocco. He was naturally skinny, and his friends often teased him about his slim frame. They'd laugh and make jokes about how thin his arms and legs were. Though Mohammed tried to brush off their comments, deep down, the teasing hurt. One day, Mohammed decided he didn't want to be the butt of their jokes anymore. He was determined to change both physically and mentally. He began by researching ways to gain muscle and improve his overall health. Mohammed learned about the importance of eating a balanced diet rich in proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats. With a plan in mind, Mohammed started making changes. He began eating more nutritious meals, focusing on foods that would help him build muscle. Every morning, he woke up early to go for a run through the streets of Berkane, enjoying the fresh morning air. After school, he would head to the local gym, where he followed a workout routine designed to gradually increase his strength and muscle mass. The first few weeks were challenging. Mohammed's muscles ached from the new exercises, and there were times when he felt like giving up. But he kept going, motivated by the vision of a stronger, healthier version of himself. Slowly but surely, Mohammed began to notice changes in his body. His arms grew stronger, his chest broadened, and his legs became more defined. As the months went by, the laughter from his friends started to fade. They began to see the determination in Mohammed's eyes and the transformation in his physique. Eventually, they stopped teasing him and even started asking him for advice on how they could get fit too. Mohammed's hard work paid off, not just in his appearance but in how he felt about himself. He was no longer the shy, insecure boy who tried to hide his body. He was now confident, proud, and full of energy. Mohammed realized that true strength isn't just about muscles, it's about having the courage to change and the determination to see it through. In the end, Mohammed's journey was more than just a physical transformation, it was a shift in how he viewed himself and how others viewed him. And it all began with his decision to take control of his life and redefine his own worth.